The conflict in West Asia has reached a critical flashpoint following a series of massive aerial bombardments. President Donald Trump announced that US forces totally obliterated military targets on Iran's Kharg Island in one of the most significant raids in regional history. While the US intentionally spared oil infrastructure for now, the president warned that this restraint is conditional on the free and safe passage of vessels through the Strait of Hormuz. Conversely, Iranian state media reported that despite visible damage, their forces remain operational on the island. Military escalation and naval deployment. As maritime traffic in the Strait of Hormuz, a transit point for 20% of global oil, comes to a near standstill, the US Navy is preparing to escort tankers very soon. To bolster this effort, the Pentagon has dispatched the USS Tripoli, carrying 2,500 Marines to the region. Reports suggest that the actual capture of Kharg Island is now being considered as a strategic objective. Regional conflict and rising costs. The violence has expanded rapidly, with Tehran launching drone and missile waves toward Israel and neighboring Gulf states. Interceptions were reported by Qatar, Saudi Arabia, and NATO forces in Turkey. Meanwhile, in Lebanon, Israeli strikes aimed at Hezbollah have resulted in at least 773 deaths, including 12 medical personnel killed in a single Friday raid. What is the global economic impact? The intensification of hostilities has triggered chaos in international markets. Brent crude prices have surged by over 42%, maintaining a level above $100 per barrel. This spike has sparked widespread fears among global governments regarding energy security and the potential for a significant inflationary surge.